Hi everyone, this is Dr. Mike and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Dr. Mike and I'm based in Hong Kong. When was the last time you visited the Peak here in Hong Kong? Tara, samahan niyo ako as we explore and visit this place for the third time or for the fourth time. Tara, pasyal muna tayo. Habang tayo ay nasa panahon ng pandemya, ipapasyal ko po muna kayo dito sa The Peak, Hong Kong. Maraming salamat po. I hope you enjoyed this episode.
Can you see it? In the frame, it's okay. So meet my friend. Okay. So ayan, kailangan siya mag-mask. Hindi siya naka-mask. Okay. So ayan siya, oh. The others, hindi ko sila kilala. Hindi ko sila kilala. Pero entrance, I remember a few years ago, we had a shooting here with Home Sweet Home, tama ba? With John Lloyd, Direct Bobo at John Lloyd and Tony Gonzaga. Nag-shoot kami sa loob. Oo. Libre ako doon, libre ako. Ngayon, iba lang, may bayan. Ito lang how much is the bayan. How much is the fee? Ayan. It's 290 adult. Sa mga kababayan natin gumustang pumunta sa Hong Kong senior citizen is 120 Hong Kong dollars. And then general admission for adults is 290 Hong Kong dollars. For mga bata, 240. Senior, 245. For Hong Kong senior citizen, offer 120. Yung mga hindi Hong Kong resident, 245. Tapos may mga package sila. Madami silang package. Okay. Guidebook, etc. So marami silang mga ino-offer po. Ito sa Madame Tussauds. So ayan. So ayan po yung mga ano nila. Character. Purchase the same day. So marami silang promo. May family delight. 2 adults, may 596. And you can just visit their website. Okay. Enhance or visit guidebook 7. Sige nga, pag minsan papasok tayo sa loob ulit at mag-feature natin sila. Oo. Yan ang saya-saya. Oo. Kaso nga lang, hindi ko sila kakilala. Okay. Yan, hindi ko sila kakilala. Oo, ito rin. Hindi ko siya kilala. Oh, bagong friend. Meet my new friend. Madame Tussauds, and obviously from our country, Miss Pia Alonso works back, Miss Universe 2015. No, ba 2015 si Pia. So yung iba hindi natin kakilala. Magpapakilala tayo sa kanila. The Queen. Mga souvenir shops. Keychains, magnets, mahilig sa magnet. So remember before when I visited this with my friends, natatandaan ba Miss Eileen, Miss yung mga friends natin, ano, mga souvenir, mga clothes, t-shirts, Hong Kong. Sana bumalik na, wala na ano. Love Hong Kong. Mga magnets. Mga souvenirs. Magnets. Beatrice, Charlotte, Dorothy, Irie, Kotse. So iba na. Hindi kagaya po ng dati. Oh, this one is wax hand union. Professional wax hand. Yan. So wax. So pwede. Wax. Ayan. Parang ganda nito. Pwede yung mga magshota. Okay. So pwede. Wax hand union. Double 60. Pwede yan. Mga souvenir item. Buy 5 get 1 free. I love Hong Kong. Okay, what is the name of this one? Kala, right? So we are here at Kala. You should be the one doing this, not me. Okay, and then this is a new place here in Taipei. I decided to eat Spanish spicy sausage and egg with toasted brioche, Kala cheese toast, and the purple sweet potato slush. I-try ko siya ngayon.
They are a forecast program, the food program like from Korea, from Japan.
So this one is from Korea.
No, this is a Hong Kong brand.
Hong Kong brand,
But
okay.
the other countries, they got very highly recommended and interested in our products. So the whole crew actually came through to Hong Kong.
Wow.
And,
Wow.
the program.
Yes. So this is my first time to eat in this store, this shop. Where's my okay. And I'm with my friend, and he told me that I would try this spicy sausage.
Oh, I see. So you call it bread for
Yeah, and egg with toasted. How to pronounce that one? Brioche? Spanish sausage.
Yeah, Spanish sausage to egg toast brioche.
Brioche, okay. And wala lang, pumapasya lang kami dito sa The Peak with my friend, and then we decided to stop dito sa Kala cheese toast. So I ordered this sweet potato slush. So tignan naman natin, purple ang kulay niya, para refreshing. Ang lamig na ng panahon, pero try natin. Oh, this one is good. Okay. Kaso ito, paano siya, how to eat this one because it's so big. Because if I would eat this one, it would fall, right? At ang laki niya, oh. Bali, may Spanish sausage, merong egg, tsaka yung toasted brioche niya. Parang bread. Okay? O, tingnan natin. First bite, huwag sana siyang mahulog. Bon appetit, everyone! It's good, ah. You should try this one. But you're not allowed because you're vegetarian. Mahirap siyang kainin. But the cheese. For only $52 Hong Kong dollars plus this one, magkano ba to? I forgot how much is this. Around 40, so 40-50, and I added $5 for the additional cheese. Okay, so in total it's around $104. So in peso, it's around 600 peso siya. Actually, wala pala akong dalang cash. 100 lang, tapos mga barya-barya. Yung credit card ko pala, hindi credit card na dala ko. It's an ATM card. So, nakakahiya ako. It's so difficult to eat. Oo.
So once again, maraming salamat po. Sana pag napunta kayo dito sa Peak, you could try this restaurant. Kala, nandito po siya sa loob ng The Peak Galleria. Ayan, try if you love this kind of food, cheese, tapos may egg, may sausage, at saka yung sweet potato nila. Please come here, Kala Cheese Toast Specialist, dito sa May The Peak, Hong Kong. Once again, enjoy! Once again, this is Dr. Mike. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Maraming salamat po.